Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about OGAds network, how OGAds network work, and how we can use this network to generate conversions. I'm going to share with you step by step, so you can watch this video till the end. There are a lot of CPA marketing platforms available on Google, but only few CPA marketing platforms are trusted. OGAds is a trusted CPA network. This network have high paying CPA offers to promote. You can generate good amount of leads. I will also share with you how you can create landing page and how you can get free traffic for OGAds CPA offer. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on OGAds platform. Here you can see overview of OGAds platform, and here you can see how it works. You can log content, you can send traffic to CPA offers, you can generate conversions. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. You will then come to this page. You can type your username, email address, password. You can repeat your password and then you can click on next step button. You can type your first name, last name. You can type here your address. You can select here your country and then click on next step button. They will ask you some questions. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about OGAds. You can type your social media or YouTube. How long have you been doing CPA? You can select here month. What are your monthly earnings? You can choose any of this option. It's up to you. Please list current networks you are sending traffic to. You can type your Crack Revenue Network, CPA Grip Network. You can type your any CPA network. They are asking what verticals are you working with. You can type your sweepstakes, dating, email submit. You can type your any verticals. What traffic sources will you use to promote our offers and monetization tools? You can type your I have a website. My website is getting good traffic from Google. My website is ranking on Google search engine. I want to promote OGAds CPA offer on my website. They are asking list your current content logging, landing pages you are running. You can type here your website URL. You can provide your any of this contact information. You can type your Skype ID or you can type here your Telegram ID. After that, you can click on next step button. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on finish button. Guys, you can get approval from OGAds network within 24 hours. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on tools button. Here you can see some tools. You can use content lockers. You can use file lockers. You can use captcha lockers. You can use a SmartLink to promote CPA offer. You can click on a smart links button. Now you can click on create a smart link button. You can type your smart link name. You can type your notes. You can log your URL. Once any user will complete the CPA offer, then they are redirected to this URL. You can log your new released movie URL. You can log your news related URL. You can go on Google and you can search your Google Trends. You can click on trending now button. You can select your country. You can select your United States country. Now you can select your time. You can select your 48 hours. Guys, these are the top trending keywords. Here you can see search volume. This keyword is getting more than 2 million searches. You can open this keyword. Here you can see top news on that keyword. You can copy this keyword. You can go on ChatGPT platform and you can type for this kind of prompt. Now you can click here. Here you can see ChatGPT has generated articles on that keyword. You can create landing page using these articles. You can go on Google Sites. You can click here to open this blank template. Now click here to delete this header section. Type your site name. You can type your title. You can click on text box. You can type here this kind of title. Now you can click here. You can select title style. You can click here to make it bold. Now you can upload your image. You can go on Google Trends. You can click here. You can scroll down. You can open any of this news. Now you can scroll down. Here you can see video. You can click on share button. You can click on embed button. Now you can go on Google site. You can click on embed button. You can click here. You can paste here that code. Click on next button. Click on insert button. Now you can type your articles. You can generate articles using ChatGPT platform. You can click here to copy these articles. Now you can go on Google site. You can click on text box. You can paste here that articles. Now I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can visit on OGAds platform. You can type your SmartLink name. Guys, this is optional. If you want, you can type your notes. Now you can paste your redirect URL. You can go on Google Trends. You can scroll down. You can open any of this news. Now you can copy this URL. You can go on OGAds platform. You can paste here that URL. Now click on offers button. You can click on add offer button. You can select your country. You can select your United States country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can add all of these CPA offers in your smart link. You can simply click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. Now in next step you can click on basic. You can click on create a smart link button. You can scroll down. Here you can see I have created a smart link. Click on actions button. Now click on view details button. Here you can see a smart link URL. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Google site. You can click on button. You can type your button name. Now you can paste your smart link URL. Click on insert button. You can drag this button here. Now you can click here to duplicate this button. You can drag this button here. Now at last you can click on publish button. You can type your web address. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on maybe platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular platform. You can use this platform to get traffic for your Google site. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, or you can click here. You can type here your email address. You can click on continue button. Guys, you can easily create account on this platform. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Now you can click here. You can type your text. You can type here this kind of text. Now you can type your hashtag. You can go on Google Trends. Here you can see keyword. You can copy this keyword. Now you can go on maybe platform. You can paste here that keyword. Now you can paste here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on maybe platform. You can paste here your Google site URL. Now you can type here some text. Here you can see I have added some text. Here you can see Google site URL. You can type here more hashtags. You can scroll down. Now you can click on post button. Here you can see my post has published successfully on maybe platform. Here is showing Google site URL. When any person will click on this URL, then they are redirected to this website. When that user will click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to users. When that user will complete any of this CPA offer, then that user will be redirected on this URL and you will receive conversion. Guys, you can share your landing page on social media platforms to get more visitors. When user will click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to users. When that user will complete any of the CPA offer, then that user will be redirected on this news website and you will receive a conversion. So friends, this is how OGAds network work. If you want to learn more about OGAds network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.